So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are going to do a building contest, and that guest should come in 3, 2, 1. Come down. Where are you? Alright, we will start all over again. 3, 2, 1. The guest may come down. Yes.
So I came, guys. See back.
Yes, she is my sister, so as you can see, we are going to do a building contest, Kavya.
Yes.
Um, you do over here. I will do.
I got disconnected.
How many times do we get disconnected?
Oh my God. Yes. Yes, I have done.
Now, we are not supposed to see when we are what we
Yes.
say
When we are making the house.
yes, and this first round is going to be durability. No, this for the in this first round means this first video of the contest video. We are going to do a contest round. I mean durability round. Whoever house is the most durable, whoever the house survives the most big TNT wins. And don't care about the inner things, inner furniture. Okay. So let's wait. And we are not supposed to see, huh?
Yes.
Just
So-
go back to that stone. That's your place.
Okay.
So let's start the contest in 3, 2, 1. Start the contest. Obsidian, bedrock.
I am making with obsidian.
Okay, I'm making. I reinforced glass. Okay, this is all I need.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, this is the
I
most.
have done wrong.
Okay, so what should I do?
And the timing is not that important.
Yes, but
But the powerfulness.
yes,
I
but
mean,
or else the video will become too long. So do it
Yes.
fast.
not that ugly one.
Yes, ugly doesn't care.
Yes, protection. Yes.
Yes. So I will stop the recording over here. I mean pause the recording. Okay. I will pause it. So I have built this much, and just for safety, I'm going to add one layer of bedrock. So start. Can you see? And we are actually sitting very far. She is in another room and I am in another room. I told that we will chat. So I will stop the recording. So we can chat. So you done. I'm scared that I should win. I should win this contest at any cost. Because this is a contest of durability and not ugly beautifulness. Fast. Actually, she said in the chat that she is not going to chat because she wants to win this. And I forgot to tell her the prize, but I will tell you guys that what is the prize. Whoever win the match now will not. There would be no prize. Sorry. Who needs prize? Whoever wins this match now, he will get 10-15 diamonds. And that too in survival mode. First. She is actually a pro in making houses, and I am a pro at making durable houses. and not beautiful houses. Wait a minute.
Let's check on our house.
I will pause the recording over here. So guys, I am this much and the recording was paused and I didn't see it. So actually I told whoever breaks in first wins the match. Okay. I will I will go and drink some water, alright? I will pause the.
I finished my house.
Then no need. You just then. Hey, don't come over here, na. What's the problem?
Sorry.
We are not supposed to see our houses.
You also see my house.
Then what happens? Don't see mine. And sorry that I saw it.
And don't see my house.
Yes, I am not seeing. I don't even care about your house. I just care about mine. I will go and drink some water. I will just pause. So guys, I actually lied to her that I actually cheat. I'm actually cheating. I have put bedrock inside and she doesn't know that bedrock is allowed. So I just lied over there to her. Yeah. Okay, so that's all I have to do personal. Bye. So guys, I have completed this much of my house. Fast. You just add some furniture. Actually, you don't even. And you can't dig straight down and come in, huh? Or else you can if you want.
No. I don't expect this. But we can come.
Please, we can come. Alright, we can't.
We can get confused.
Yes, so that's why we can't.
Okay, oh, why I'm
Fast. And bedrock is not allowed, alright? Huh, Kavya? Bedrock is not allowed.
Yes, only obsidian.
Yes, only obsidian. And I am not adding furniture, huh?
Okay.
Because I have to end this. Because I have to end this video fast. Because or else all of my videos are too long. So that's why I have to. Fast.
I have finished before you.
Alright. Then what should I even do?
Like dance?
No, I will not.
Okay, I have finished.
And there would be a punishment, huh? In real life, alright? Whoever loses, na, there will be a punishment in real life. We will have to eat. We will have to eat dairy milk chocolate. No, not dairy milk chocolate. We will decide in punish. What should we do?
We should. Yes. We have to eat salt.
Alright, and that too a spoonful, huh?
Yes. You
Ew.
No. That can hurt our body also.
No, it can't. No,
But
it can't.
our parents will allow us.
Who knows? But it's a punishment. They will allow.
Okay, let's see. So, is there night?
skip. Don't care about the night. Whenever we are going to go in survival, we'll sleep. Fast, because I don't have time. Because she has completed the house and she is doing some time pass. I don't know what she is doing.
I have finished with the furnitures.
And even if you left the game, and even if you cheat now, even if you cheat and win, then even if you cheat and win the game and win the contest, you won't, you are not allowed. Whoever loses now, even if you cheat, whoever loses will have to eat the salt. All right.
Yes.
And if you lose even after cheating, then you will have to what we say, eat the salt. All right.
Okay.
Now actually now I am only making the what we say the roof. So I will cut this video down right over here and make it again. And whoever mines into the house, whoever comes into the house and mines the diamond block inside wins. All right. And whoever mines the last loses. Is it all right? Whoever mines the diamond inside the house wins. All right? Is
No,
it
no, no. I don't expect this.
what?
I don't expect this.
Expect?
I mean, expect.
Expect.
Yes, that.
Why but?
I don't want to do this thing.
Or else it won't become fair. So
Mining the diamond and that.
ha. No, do that, or else it will be just cheating. And I am done with my house. Let's sleep. And I will.
1 minute. I don't expect this.
No, or else it wouldn't become fair, Kavya.
What do you mean, but what does that mean?
Whoever mines the diamond block inside the house wins the match. Okay?
Okay, the diamond first.
Yes, diamond block inside it.
Wait, I have to take the diamond.
Okay, I am not. Oops, I took the lapis lazuli block.
Okay, so I have taken the diamond.
And keep 4 diamond blocks inside, alright?
Okay, wait, I have to take the oxygen.
Wait, let me take
TNT.
no pickaxe. So now I am done with my house. Let's sleep. I can't wait. I am sleeping, huh? You slept?
No, I'm gonna sleep.
Then sleep fast.
Can you tell me please afterwards again?
What? Oh, come on.
Okay, I understood it. So I will come now. Hey you,
What?
don't see in my house.
I can because we both are done.
Okay.
Now let's start the wait, let me wait.
Survival.
Yes. Survival mode.
Okay, I'm going in this one again.
Yes, I know. Yes, it's
I will drink some water.
okay.
Here is also water.
Oh,
Here,
Kara?
wait, I am drinking more. Okay, I'll drink the water now.
no,
Let
just
me
join.
use the bottle. Yes, done. Okay, then shower.
Hana.
Done.
Chal, 3, 2, 1, start the game. Oh, come on. Who is such a noob?
Creeper.
Alright, I will help you. Wait, let me come inside your house. And this will be not counted. Huh? because you are such a noob that you died.
What? I'm
Huh.
not a movie.
Alright, now get out!
Pickaxe.
Just get out, everything is outside.
What? Okay, I've got it.
Okay, now go ahead back to your house.
But where is the entrance? You closed the entrance?
Yes, don't get out of your house. Just stay and so 3, 2, 1, start. And don't not inside your own house. You have to mine in my house. Or else it would be impossible. You know everything. Just come on, Kavya. You are doing as if you are a noob.
So what?
Just go over there and don't do that 1, 2, 3 go all actions.
I have to come in your house.
Yes, now stay over there. So now 3, 2, alright.
3,
2, 1, go. You're not inside your own house. I told you a million times now.
So I am coming to your house. You're saying, "Nyeh, nyeh, nyeh."
Shut up.
Okay. Let's.
Come, fast, mine. Fast, mine.
So you are coming here now.
Yes, I'm at your house. Trying to break through.
Oh, I have to your break.
Yes, I mined the diamond block. I mined the diamond block.
Wait.
I mined the diamond block.
Wait.
I won.
am saying that I was confused in that moment.
Kavya, you're such a big newbie.
I think that you were fixing my house.
Alright. Now get out of there, please. Come
Three,
here.
two, one.
No. Go back to your house.
Why, but?
Or else this would be not a contest and more of a time pass. Alright now. 3, 2, 1, start.
Oh, I have to jump. Please, I have to jump. Why am
Oxygen is so slow.
Yes.
I mined the diamond block. I mined the diamond block. I mined the diamond block.
Okay, I am.
See,
I'm
died.
not wind because you have 2 layers and I have 1 layer.
Yes.
You are cheating.
No, we can do 2 layers, I said already, and I mined the diamond block. So I won the contest. So let's do the punishment video now. So she lost the contest now. She's going to eat some salt. Such a big spoonful. Now eat it. Eat.
Oh,
Eat. It's a punishment. It was your fault. You didn't make it. So that is it for today. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till then, bye bye.